Hi, my name is Jeff Joki. I'm the Product Experience Manager at Hardline. Hardline is here at Hexagon Live, partnering with Hexagon to show you some of our amazing technology. The one that we're going to take a look at today is called TeleOp. So what is TeleOp, if you've never heard of it before? TeleOp is remote control operation of heavy machinery from a control station like the one that you see here. So it differs a little bit from line of sight remote control where the machine is nearby within sight. TeleOp is designed for further distances. So how far are we talking about? Well, the machine could be underground and the control station on surface in an office, or the machine could even be literally in a different country, and that's exactly what we're going to show you in just a second. So being able to remote control a machine from a great distance like that has many advantages: safety, productivity, efficiency, getting people out of a dangerous environment. And as we carry on with the demo, I'm hoping that the advantages will be obvious to you. So let's see TeleOp in action. You can follow me into the chair. So one thing you'll notice is that we have a great variety of different machines to choose from. So there's some underground machinery, LHDs, haul trucks, rock breakers. There's also some surface machinery, dozers, excavators. So this chair can be used to operate any one of those machine types. The controls on the chair will simply reassign themselves to fit the machine that I am choosing to work for the day. So it's kind of a one-size-fits-all, one chair for all machines. And this is what we call our TeleOp multisystem. You can have multiple chairs like this, multiple machines, and any one of those chairs can be used to control any one of those machines. So today we're going to be operating an underground LHD. Now, as I mentioned, we're operating a machine in another country. So what you see on the screen here is an LHD, so similar to that. That's what the machine is. There's a front camera, a rear camera. And this machine is in my hometown, Hardline's hometown, Northern Ontario, Canada. That's 2,000 miles away, about 3,000 kilometers away. And really a good internet connection between here and there is all that's needed to operate this machine in real time. So this is not a simulation, we're really driving this thing. So the most basic TeleOp control is with me as an operator in full control of the machine. So when I drive and I steer left, the machine is going to steer left. It's going to do exactly what I tell it to do. So as I drive this, there's no automation. This is me in control. People often ask about latency over great distances. Of course, there is some latency, but it's not that bad. The machine is still drivable, as you can see, even with me in full control. What I'm going to do now is show you the first level of automation, because even though I can drive it, if I'm being honest, it's very difficult to keep that machine centered in the drift so that it doesn't hit the walls. So we have a solution for that. We call it TeleOp Assist. So if I engage TeleOp Assist, essentially what happens is the automation system is steering for me. So when I push left or right, the machine doesn't react. The automation system is going to take care of that steering for me. So you can see on the touchscreen here, the orange dots that you're seeing are LiDAR beams. They're hitting the walls and they're detecting the best possible path to keep that machine right down the middle. So now it's as easy as just pulling back on the joystick, and I don't have to worry about steering now the system is keeping it centered for me. And there's a turn coming up, so Assist is even capable of doing turns. I just tell it, hey, please take the next right, and the machine will take the next right. And as I drive up ahead around the corner, same deal, just take the next corner, please. And the machine will obey, all the while keeping it centered. So when we see automation like this, the advantages are now going further than simply safety. Now we're talking about efficiency, productivity. I can drive this machine way faster with the Assist engaged than I could ever drive it in full control. I would be bouncing off the walls right now, but with Assist, much less maintenance cost, machine damage, higher tramming speeds, so many advantages to the Assist system. What I'll show you now is our fully autonomous system. So what you saw up to now doesn't require a 3D scan of the drift. All the intelligence is just being calculated in real time. With our fully autonomous system, we bring a 3D scan of the map into the picture. So that can be provided by us, that can be provided by a third party. And what happens with the fully autonomous system is now that we have a scan of the map, we can simply enter a route for the machine to travel. So perhaps it's a tramming route that it's repeating throughout a shift over and over again. You put a route in place, it highlights the route. I engage my autonomous system. I tell the machine one touch of a button to go, and you can see now I don't have to push throttle, I don't have to steer, but fully autonomous, the machine will reach its destination. And it'll complete that route until I tell it to stop. So I'll just stop it there. That's a 30,000 foot view of TeleOp, but we've only just scratched the surface. There's a lot more to see, so please come check out our booth. We're at the Intelligent Mining booth number 400, and there's some other great products we're showing off, some of our more recent ones that are allowing us to incorporate our amazing technology with the amazing technology of other companies like Hexagon, so just to create one powerful solution. So thanks so much for spending time with me today, and please enjoy Hexagon Live.